I now invite the winner of the Governor's Prize, Dhananjay Balakrishnan, to please deliver his acceptance speech.
Good morning. Firstly, I'd like to congratulate everyone here, my fellow graduates, parents, and other award winners. I know how difficult the journey might have been, but I'm glad that we're all here having made it together. And I'd like to thank my parents, they're sitting over there. Hi. My sister, my professors, and all of my friends and family. I'm absolutely nothing without all of your love and support. And I'd specifically like to express my gratitude to the people at the IITM Quiz Club and my wing, that is Ganga 201212. They're all sitting there somewhere. Yeah, okay. Who've shared in my highest heights and helped me through my lowest lows. Now, I feel like I'd be doing myself and everything I believe in a great injustice if I do not use the stage I'm presented with to say something very important. This is a call for action. There is a mass genocide going on in Palestine. People are dying in vast numbers, and there is no visible end in sight. Why should we be bothered by this, you ask? Because STEM as a field in itself has historically been used to advance the ulterior motives of the imperial powers, such as Israel. As engineering students, we work hard to get top-level jobs at tech giants, which offer very lucrative pays and great benefit. However, these tech giants control various aspects of our lives today, as you know better than anyone. Many of these prestigious companies are also directly and indirectly implicated in the war against Palestine by providing the state of Israel with technology that's used to kill. There are no easy solutions, and I don't have all the answers, but I do know this. As engineers graduating into the real world, it is our job to be aware of the consequences of the work we do, and also to interrogate our own position in these complex systems of power imbalance. I hope that we can incorporate this awareness more into our daily lives, attempting to understand what we can do to liberate the oppressed on lines of caste, class, creed, and gender. I believe that is the first step to curb the never-ending cycle of suffering. Isaac Newton said that he stood on the shoulders of giants to take him where he wanted to go. I want to say this. I am here, rather we are here, by standing on the shoulders of the magnanimous Indian populace, and we owe it to them to lift every single person out of their misery. Inaction is complicity, and I hope you and I and all of us can take action to make the right decisions, however hard they might be. Thank you.